Hello everybody, my name is Denis Litvinov and welcome back to Can I Blend It. Today we're going to take a small one episode break from breaking stuff in the Vitamix A2500 and I'm going to show you how to make an incredible, one of the best tasting protein shakes on the market. So, let's go! Welcome back everybody, and as I was mentioning earlier, today we're going to make one of the best tasting protein shakes on the market. So let me show you the ingredients first. There are a few ingredients in this, and I want to mention the fact that these ingredients are totally flexible. You can substitute them for something else, you can use less or more, and I actually don't have any sort of specific proportion as to how much to put into each protein shake. I eyeball it. And that seems to work for me, so I'll show it to you guys that way, and let me know down in the comments what you think. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and therefore you'll be able to get new videos that I post right to your inbox right away, and you'll be alerted of them as well. So, what are the ingredients? So first ingredient that I like to use is a frozen berry blend. So here you have strawberries, you have blueberries, blackberries, raspberries. It's a really good mix altogether. The next thing that I'd like to use is some yogurt, and in this case we have raspberry yogurt, but you can use any yogurt you like. Also I have 2% milk. You can substitute this with juice if you like. This will add some more sugary flavor, it'll add some sweetness, but I personally like to use milk. And I also like to use a banana. So this banana is a little bit aged, so you can see it's not as green as it could be. But so what can happen with this is that your shake will be a certain color after you make it, but then after it sits in the fridge for a bit, the shake can actually darken a little bit just purely because of the banana. So here's how you make it. So we'll open the Vitamix A2500 Ascent Series, and I'll begin by adding the berries. And one of the great things about this specific blender here is that it's incredibly powerful, as you might have seen in some of my other videos, and by the way, check those out in the library. But it's very, very powerful. So it's powerful to the extent that it can actually easily go through these frozen berries, and it'll actually go to the extent of blending it into such a smooth substance that you'll be able to see, you'll be able to actually not see, sorry, but you won't even taste the seeds on the strawberries. So it blends it that finely. So I'm gonna begin by adding some yogurt, and again, I'm just eyeballing everything. So I'll put in about this much. If I had to estimate it, I would say maybe 3/4 of a cup. So I'll put that directly onto the the fruit rather. So that's now in there. I'm now going to add some milk, and again I'm eyeballing this. So what I like to do is I like to put too little milk at first, and then if the shake doesn't begin blending into a liquid type of a shake, then I will add more milk. But the worst thing you can do is you can add too much milk, and then or juice if you prefer to go with that. And then what will happen is your shake will begin to become too liquidy, and then what happens in the fridge is it separates. So therefore, I like to make it quite high in viscosity, I guess you could say. Okay, so now that we got those ingredients in, I like to add some of this premium gold whey isolate powder, and the nutritious information on this says that it's got 27 grams per 1 rounded scoop, which is 36 grams, but we'll add that later on. So first, I'll close this Vitamix A2500, and I'll begin blending on slow speed to get everything in there mixed up. And then as it's spinning, we're going to add the protein powder so that it mixes evenly. So let's begin. So unfortunately I can't talk while the blender is going as it's a little loud, but I'll show you where we're at so far. And here we've got a very smooth shake so far, and you can see that it's not totally liquidy, but it's got some certain viscosity to it. So what I'll do now is I will add the protein powder and then continue blending. So we'll add, I think I like to add about 2 scoops, give or take. So that would give me about 54 grams of protein per the entire jug. And then, so I guess if you were to divide this into 4 servings, I suppose, that would be, 14, 15 grams, give or take. Let me down in the comments below when you actually do the right calculation and let me know what it is. So I added the protein powder, now I'm going to continue blending. The protein powder will also give it some volume, so you'll see the protein shake actually increase in size as we blend. So let's continue blending. So that's all it takes. I mean, it's this easy. I always start on the slow speed, increase from there, and it turns out to be a great product at the end. So I think it's done now. What I'll do is I'll show you how it pours, because it's quite amazing. Like this blender, it will blend up everything so finely that you can't even tell what texture things were before. Like I was saying earlier, even things as small as strawberry seeds will blend up and you won't taste them as you're drinking the shake. So here we go. That looks delicious and I bet you it tastes delicious. So let's give it a try. That's very, very good. So you get the taste of course, of the berries that are in there. You get some yogurt that adds a lot of the creamy type of texture. The protein that I put in here has a little bit of a vanilla flavor. And of course, it's a dairy product since there's milk. This tastes amazing. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think. I mean, there's many ways that this can be altered to be made into something different. I'm always curious to explore. So let me know what you guys think. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.